Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Thai chicken soup with coconut milk. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with this super delicious Thai chicken soup. It is so flavorful. It does have more ingredients than I normally would use, but that's okay. It's still easy and really good. So I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil in this heavy pot here. I've got my heat on medium heat, and I'm going to add in some onion, about a half a cup of diced onion. Got 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon of lemongrass paste. You can find the ginger paste and the lemongrass paste in most grocery stores in their produce section. It's over by, I don't know, it's in the produce section. I've got about a half a cup of carrots. My mind is not with me today. Half a cup of shredded carrots. You could use diced carrots, diced whole carrots, doesn't matter. So we're going to cook this until the onions and the carrots are soft. Okay, our carrots and onions are looking good. I'm going to add in 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. We're going to cook these until they're a little bit softer. It's going to be about 5 minutes. Okay, our mushrooms are looking good, and now we're going to add in 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that we've diced. Or not really diced, we've cut them into cubes. So we're going to put this in here, mix it all up, and cook until the chicken is cooked all of the way through. Okay, let's finish this soup up. I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. I've got a 14-ounce can of coconut milk. This is full-fat coconut milk. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Essential for Thai food. Gives it that delicious umami flavor. And I've got 3 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 teaspoons of Thai red curry paste. So we're going to stir this all up, and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, our soup looks absolutely perfect, and so let's serve some up and then have a bite. This soup makes 6 servings, pretty generous servings. How good does that look? Let's top it with some cilantro, because I love cilantro. Lots of cilantro. And a bite. That is so good. It's like a flavor bomb in your mouth. You're going to love this recipe. Also, be sure you check out this recipe for my keto white chicken chili. It is just as easy as this and just as delicious. So be sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.